Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GauravGraphics. In this video we are going to create oil paint effect in our Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first we have to open our Photoshop. Now select the image that you want to edit in our Photoshop. So I have downloaded many images, but I have downloaded this image and now I want to make this image. So unlock the layer first and make it duplicate by pressing Ctrl and J. So you can see that our layer is now duplicated. So for applying it oil painted effect, we have to take a action of Photoshop. So I have already made this. Now I'm just putting that action in my image. So first go to window panel and take action panel from here, and now go to three dots and select from here load actions. Now this is the file and you can download this file in the description link, so you can visit here and download this. Now click on load. So our file is ready and now you have to just select it and we have to click here for play this video. So click here and continue. So you can see that all the details is in front of us and we can adjust it according to our needs. So and if you don't need to change anything, then you have to just press OK, so it will change. After clicking this, you got this panel, so you can adjust this according to your need. So I'm just hitting OK here, and it will take some time, but you don't have to do anything. It will automatically do many things for your image. Now click continue. Continue. So guys, our image is ready by just 3 or 4 clicks. Now you can see that our image has been changed in oil painted effect, and you can see that this is our previous image and this is our newly image. So and there are so many filters I used in this, so you can adjust it according to your need. So I am just showing you. So guys, this is today's tutorial. Hope you like this video. If you really enjoyed this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.